how does the mind function? The mind is the integrator and the presenter of the inputs coming from the senses and reaching the consciousness, the soul. Suppose we have a high security building in which there are 5 doors, and at all the 5 doors there are closed circuit cameras, and the images being seen from those cameras are integrated in the control office, where there is a big monitor on which there are 5 windows, and in these 5 windows the inputs from the 5 senses are coming, 5 doors are coming in. So we can say the mind is like that. The Bhagavad Gita in the 15th chapter 9th verse states that Shrotram chakshuh sparshanam cha rasanam ghranam evacha adhishthaya manashchayam vishayanupasevate. So the input from all the 5 senses, the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue and the skin, they are integrated onto the screen of the mind and presented for a consciousness to observe. And among these 5 windows, if the observer, the security in charge, sees that there is some suspicious thing happening at a particular door, then that window will be pressed and it will zoom up and it will occupy practically the whole screen. Similarly, while input from all the senses are coming to us, if suddenly we, while sitting on a chair, start feeling that there is a thorn or a nail coming out from the chair, then as it pinches, as it starts piercing our body, immediately that window zooms up. And touch is the sensation that we become conscious of. So if somebody else might be speaking something to us, we just don't hear it because the sound sensation, sound window has become minimized and the touch window has become maximized. So the mind is what enables us to integrate the various inputs coming from the senses, and it enables us to perceive. So to the extent that this integration happens properly, that the right window zooms up, then we can function effectively. If a person is driving and the vision should be focused on the eyes, but if at that time somebody else speaks something irritating and then the ear window zooms up and the person looks away, or even if the person looking ahead, the mind gets distracted and the person may drive off course. So the mind needs to be functional so that the consciousness can function effectively, and for that the integration and the presentation has to be happening on the screen of the mind in the most effective way, so that the most important inputs are taken in and responded to appropriately. Thank you. Hare Krishna.